Hackops is this moment in the year where we kind of onboard new ideas.
To create and produce something that is ambitious and exciting.
Things that have a lot of risk, and we just try things for 48 hours.
And especially this Hackops, people are really forward thinking, saying, hey, we could use this 2 days to seed an idea that we could continue on next year.
Remove hierarchy, remove roles, you just get to do stuff.
And at the end of the day, it might even work. So it's a great challenge, and it's really exciting to get everybody behind that.
We've actually changed our game design completely at this point.
What we're doing today is we're exploring with projection mapping.
We were making sort of a Slenderman style game, now we're going for a spooky atmosphere while you try and find an object.
It's not an easy project. I'm trying to figure out the software, which is not intuitive to use at all, so I'm watching tutorials and learning how to use it.
I'm a software engineer working on our esports Hackops mod.
So trying to make a sort of 2D mobile game in Unreal, kind of a management sort of thing, sim, got elements, it's about tanks obviously.
So we're very early into the project. What we're trying to work out is which locations to use. The idea is we've got a graveyard here that I'm looking at, which you hopefully can see on the screen. And I'm able to look, there you go, you've got a church.
I think Liko is somewhere in the office too, cutting up foam board, because we're going to build 3D figures that we can stick onto the wall, and then we can leverage that 3D surface.
Actually, it's kind of got the story progression, but we're all a bit scattered, so we're going to try and get it together.
Some issues we're having now is just getting the scares in place. We're currently playing with having a ghost on fire, and we're doing some 3D sound. So we're starting to try and tie all the scares together, and we're starting to just hit individual problems.
So yesterday was a good day. I think we did have to change a few things, very last minute.
Today's just been kind of fleshing out what's there and adding some more features and making it look a lot prettier.
We've got a couple of things, we've got a couple of new cameras, and we have a way of controlling those cameras via an external interface on a web page.
Yesterday afternoon was getting pretty tense. We were only just tying together the first level, and we're hitting lots of problems.
Mini on the clock. What are we going on? Half an hour?
Oh, this is so frustrating. Crash again. I only saved half of it.
It's amazing to see what people can learn. I mean, the learning is huge, because often people take on new projects where they haven't even got any context on the technology that they're using before.
To get the thing finished is a triumph. To get the thing finished and polished is amazing.
It became really sort of a race against time.
15 minutes, everybody! 15 minutes! Wrap it up!
It's just enough time for everything to break and explode and be the worst thing ever.
Still crashing.
Usually in the last couple of minutes, something might happen.
3 minutes and 57 seconds!
Well, we should have been done by now. This is not crucial.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Stop! Keyboards and other input devices, VR devices and tablets and touchscreens and everything down! That's it! We're done! Woo! Well done, everybody!
So I think the Hackops was a great experience for everyone there. It was great team building, it was great building knowledge on technologies and stuff, and it was just a whole lot of fun.
This year we had about 35 projects pitched, and 15 of those made it to the ready stage, where they were enough of a team to kind of progress forward into Hackops.
For me, Hackops is not just an opportunity for the guys to experiment, try something new, have a bit of fun, but also we've seen these projects become the kernel of future great products within Wargaming.
Is a marathon of creativity and innovation. 30 hours non-stop, it's hectic, there's a massive buzz, but it's a great thing for us to do.